press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello everyone, welcome to the part 5th of the chapter linear inequalities. In the last session we were discussing about actually how to find the solution for the given system of linear inequalities using graphical method, by the method of graphical method. So it's an important thing for the purpose of annual examination, because there will be a 5-mark question from this. Okay, so I think we were discussing, we have solved I think the 3 questions from the exercise 6.3, right? So now let's look at a 4th one. Solve x plus y is greater than or equal to 4 and 2x minus y is greater than 0 graphically. 2x minus y greater than 0 graphically. Okay, same as before. The first step is what, actually considering lines from the 2 given inequalities and the points through which they are passing. Consider the first line, you mean x plus y equal to 4, passing through what, 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0, because when x is 0 y is 4, when y is 0 x is 4. Okay, so passing through points 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. And the second line passing through, that is what, 2x minus y is equal to 0. So students, it's very important whenever you have this type of equation, it's very important that so whenever we have this type of equation, it is always passing through the origin, because it is same as y is equal to x. When x is 0, y is 0. The first point from the given equation, it is true that it is always passing through the origin. So first point is what, when x is 0, y is 0. So depend upon the scale you taken. So here we have the point 4 comma 0, 0 comma 4, and hence the scale is what, actually 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore you take any value of x. Here for the first point is what, 0 comma 0, and you take any value of x of your own. I am going to take if x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, so y becomes what, 2. Y is equal to 2 times of 1. So 2 points are given by, one is 0 comma 0, so another one is 1 comma 2. You can take any other point also of your own. X is equal to 2, when what happens, y is equal to 2 to the 4. Then you get 2 comma 4 is another point. So to draw a line, we need at least 2 points. So one is from the given line, that is 0 comma 0. One more is what, 1 comma 2, or you can take any other points. If you take x is 2, y becomes 4. If you take x is 3, y becomes 6. You can take any of the points. X is 3, y becomes 6. Okay. Now from these 2 points, let us draw these 2 lines in the graph. Okay. So now the first line is passing through 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. So 4 comma 0. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what is 0 comma 4. So the line is passes through these 2 points. Okay, this is your x plus y is equal to 4. And next line is what, passing through 0, 0 and 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is what, 1 comma 2 comes here, right? This is your 1 comma 2 and 0.00. So your line is, since it is strict inequality, so you have to draw the dotted line. So this is your 2x is equal to y. 2x is equal to y, right? So now the second, next step is what? Finding the solution reason for both the inequality. See the first line, you mean x plus y equal to 4 divides the plane into two parts. One is lower half plane, one is upper half plane. And again for this 2x is equal to y, or 2x minus y is equal to 0, divide the line into upper half plane and lower half plane. So I'm checking for the first inequality. Let us take 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane. Substitute in the given inequality. What do you get? X plus y is greater than or equal to 0. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 4. Sorry, greater than or equal to 4. This gives what? 0 is greater than or equal to 4, which is false. Hence, for the first inequality, the solution reason is the upper half plane. You mean this is your solution reason for the first inequality. Okay. Now for the second thing. So for the second inequality, you mean 2x minus y is greater than 0. You can't take the value 0 comma 0. You don't take the point 0 comma 0 because it is passing through the same point. No. So better you neglect that. You take any point from any other planes. So this is the lower half plane, this is upper half plane. You take any other point. I'm going to take any point. You mean I'm going to take this point 1 comma 1. See 1 comma 1 present in the lower half plane of this line. Okay. So this is upper half plane of for this inequality or line. This is upper half plane, this is lower half plane. So I have considered, I taken the point 1 comma 1 from the upper half plane to check the solution reason. So let us substitute in this. So here we have 2 into x is 1 minus y is 1 is greater than 0. Okay. So let 1 comma 1 from lower half plane of the inequality. So then you get what? 2 into 1 minus 1 is greater than 0. This gives what? 2 minus 1, that is 1 is greater than 0, which is absolutely, which is true. You mean the solution reason is the lower half plane. You mean this is the solution reason of this. Then look at the common reason for both the inequalities. Yes, the common reason can be seen here, right? To the right of this line and to above this line. So this will be the common reason. So you can shade this. Then you get this is your so you get unbounded reason. This is your solution reason. Hope you got it. Okay. So once again, so here we have the first inequality x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. This is a line. Further, I have taken the point 0 from the lower half plane and substituted in this. So 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 4. 0 is greater than or equal to 4. This is false. Therefore, the solution reason is upper half plane. This is the solution reason for the first inequality. And second inequality, I have taken, for the second inequality, this is a line passes through what? 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, and when x is 1, y becomes 2, right? Y becomes 2. So 1 comma 2. So 1 comma 2 is a point here we have. This is 1 comma 2. Since 1 comma 2. So now through this line is passing like this. Okay, and for this I am checking the solution region by taking a point 1 comma 1 comma 1, or you can take any other point, or you can take a 2 comma 1 also. 2 comma 1, you take 2 comma 1, what happens? 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. You mean 4 minus 1, 3 is greater than or equal to 0. It is absolutely true, which is true. So the solution reason is the reason from which you have taken the point. You mean the lower half plane becomes the solution reason. So the lower half plane becomes the solution reason. Hence, this is the solution reason for 2x minus y is greater than 0, and this is the solution for what x plus y is greater than or equal to 4, and hence this becomes a common reason. The shaded portion becomes the common reason for both the inequalities. Hence that becomes the solution reason for this system of inequality. At last, therefore, the common reason is the required solution reason. Except the points come on this dotted line. Okay, so you can mention that. You can mention the required solution reason is, the common reason is the solution reason, except the points come on the dotted line. You can mention that at the end. Okay, so this is fourth question. Okay, so now let's move one more that is fifth one, I think. Okay, next one is 2x minus y is greater than 1 and x minus 2y is less than minus 1. 2x minus y is greater than 1 and x minus 2y is less than minus 1. Same as before. First thing is what? Consider the line. Let 2x minus y equal to 1 passes through what? Write the points. When x is 0, y becomes minus 1. When y is 0, x becomes what? 1 by 2. 2x is equal to 1 and x becomes 1 by 2. So this line passes through what? 1 by 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. And the second line is what? X minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Okay, and this is passing through the points when x is 0. When x is 0, so y becomes 1 by 2. So minus 2y is equal to minus 1, then y becomes 1 by 2. When y is 0, so x becomes minus 1. So this is a line passing through minus 1 comma 0 and 0 comma 1 by 2. Now let us draw axis. Okay. Now the first line passes through 1 by 2 comma 0. You mean so 1 by 2 comma 0 comes here. This is your 1 by 2 comma 0. The second point is 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1, I mean this is a point of 0 comma minus 1. So this is your line that is 2x minus y is equal to 1. Next line is x minus 2y. So 1 by 2 comma 1, 0 comma minus 1, and next line is passes through what? Minus 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 0. This is the point, minus 1 comma 0, and 0 comma 1 by 2. So 0 comma 1 by 2. 0 comma 1 by 2 is this one. Right. Better let us take the points. Since we have smaller points, so let us rewrite the graph. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's take like this. Okay. Now, the first point passes through what? 1 by 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 1. So 1 by 2 comma 0, you mean you get here 1 by 2 comma 0. Next point is 0 comma minus 1. 0 comma minus 1, this is what? Your 0 comma minus 1. This is your line that is 2x minus y is equal to 1, right? Next one, x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. When x is 0, y becomes 1 by 2. When y is 0, x becomes minus 1. So minus 1 comma 0, you mean this is a point, minus 1 comma 0. And next 0 comma 1 by 2. This is your 0 comma 1 by 2. 0 comma 1 by 2. So again this is your line this is what x minus 2y is minus 1, right? Okay. So now let's check the solution design for first inequality. So for first inequality, that is what 2x minus y is equal to 1. 0 comma 0 comes in the upper half plane. So let 0 comma 0 from the upper half plane. Let us check the inequality. 2x minus y is greater than 1. So 2 into 0 minus 0, that is greater than 1. So 0 is greater than 1, which is false. Hence the solution reason is what? We have taken the point from upper half plane, right? So lower half plane becomes the solution reason. This becomes the solution reason. Okay, that's for the second point. So let again 0 comma 0 is the point in the lower half plane of this line, x minus 2y is equal to minus 1. Let 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane, any point you can consider. Now substitute that 0 comma 0 in the second inequality, that is 0 minus 2 times of 0 which is less than minus 1, that is 0 is less than minus 1, which is again false. So you have taken the point from the upper half plane, right? Sorry, lower half plane of this line, right? So upper half plane becomes the solution region. You mean this becomes the solution region. Now observe the common region you get. So this is a common region you get. So let us shade that. This is again unbounded. You mean it cannot be enclosed within a circle. It can be extended infinitely in this direction. Right? This is your solution region, a common region. So at last we can write, hence the solution region is, the common region is a solution region except the points come on the dotted line. That's it. You mean except the points come on this dotted line. You mean points come on this dotted line will not be included in the solution region. Okay, at last, therefore, the common region is the solution region, except the points come on the boundary. This is a boundary. Okay, or except the points come on the dotted line. That's it. This is how finding the solution is. Okay. Okay, let us move to one more problem. Okay, now let us move on to sixth question, that is x plus y is less than or equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. A simple one. X plus y less than or equal to 6 and x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So yes, the first thing is what? Finding the points through which the given line passing. You mean lines, let the line is given by x plus y is equal to 6, passes through what? When x is 0, y becomes 6. When y is 0, x becomes 6. Of course, the lines are passes through the points 0, 6 and 6, 0. Second line, let the line given by x plus y is equal to 4, and this is also passes through 2 points. Students, in this case, in finding the points through which the line passing, follow the same method. Take one of them 0, one become, another will get, again another will take 0, one more you get. So don't take any other value for x and y, okay, it is better. When x is 0, y becomes 4, when y is 0, x becomes 4. this is what I mean, line passes through 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. Okay. Now, so let's draw the graph. Three, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay. The first line is 0 comma 6 passes through 0 comma 6 and 6 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? 6 comma 0. 0 comma 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is your 0 comma 6. Okay. So, this is your line, that is so this is your line x plus y is equal to 6. And the second line passes through what? 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. You mean this is 4 comma 0 and this is 0 comma 4. So, you observe here students, lines are not intersecting, they may be parallel. Okay. So, this is your graph. The solution design. So, for both the lines 0 comma 0 comes in the lower half plane, let us check the solution reason. Let 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane, then let us check for first inequality. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 6, this gives 0 less than or equal to 6 less than 6, which is true. Hence, for this, the upper half plane will be the solution region. You mean for the first line, I mean x plus y, what? Sorry, 0 less than 6, therefore, which is true. Therefore, the solution region is the region from which you have taken the point. You mean the lower half plane. You mean the lower half plane for this line. The lower half plane of this line. Okay. Now, for the second line, for the second inequality, let us 0 comma 0 from let us take 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane. Again, substitute this in the given inequality. 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So 0 is greater than or equal to 4, which is false. Hence, for this, upper half plane becomes the solution region. You mean this becomes the solution region. Okay. Then the common reason comes between these two. You mean this is your common reason and hence becomes the solution reason. This is your solution reason. Okay, therefore the common reason is the solution reason. Okay, so to mention in the graph also, this is the solution reason. Okay, this is how finding the solution reason for 5 mark. Okay, let us move on to question number what 7. Okay, the next one is question number 7, that is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8, x plus 2y so is greater than or equal to 10. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8, x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. Same method finding the point through which the line passes through. Consider the line 2x plus y is equal to 8 passes through what? Passes through what? When x is 0, y becomes 8. When y is 0, x becomes 4. 2x is equal to 8, then x is 4. The second, this is what? The line passes through 4, 0 and 0, 8. The second line is passes through what? X plus 2y is equal to 10. So, when x is 0, y becomes, yes, what is y? 5. When y is 0, x becomes 10. So, passes through 10, 0 and 0, 5. So, let us draw the lines. Yes, first one 4, 0 and 0, 8. This is your 0, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 0. This is your 4, 0. Next, so let's join this. This is your line 2x plus y is equal to 8. Next, second line x plus 2y is equal to 10 passes through 10, 0 and 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is your 10, 0 and 0, 5. You get 0, 5. Yeah. Okay. This is your second line. Mean x plus 2y is equal to 10. Yes, for both the lines 0 comma 0 comes in the lower half plane. Let us check this. Let 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane substitute in the given inequality, that is first inequality, 2 times of 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 8. This gives 0 is greater than or equal to 8, which is false. So the upper half plane for the first inequality, that is what 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 8. You mean upper half plane for this will be the solution region. Okay. Now second one, again same 0 comma 0, substitute in the second equation. Yes, 0 plus 2 times of 0 is greater than or equal to 10. So 0 is greater than or equal to 10 again, which is false. Therefore upper half plane will be the solution region for this upper half plane. So then observe the common region, students. Common region becomes this becomes a common region for both the inequalities. That's what I am shading. Yes, becomes the solution region for this inequality. So hence solution region is what actually the common region is the solution region for both the inequality. This is what we call solution region. So therefore the common region is the solution region. Okay. Okay, this is how finding the solution region for the question number 7. Yes, let's move on to the question number 8, that is x plus y less than or equal to 9, y is greater than x is greater than or equal to 0. X plus y less than or equal to 9, y is greater than x, and x is greater than or equal to 0. Yes, again let the line x plus y is equal to 9 passes through what? Passes through, yes, what? 0, 9 and 9, 0. It's very simple. When x is 0, y is 9. When y is 0, x is 9. So passes through. So 9, 0 and 0, 9. Second line is what? Yes, the second line is y is equal to x. So hope you are familiar in the line x is equal to y, right? X is equal to y is a line which divides the plane into two equal parts, right? So it is what actually an identity function, right? I think you are all familiar in the graph of y is equal to x. And next one is x equal to 0. Let y is equal to x is a line passes through origin. Okay. Next one, x is equal to 0. X equal to 0, nothing but it's an imaginary axis, is imaginary. Nothing but y axis. X equal to 0 represent y axis. Okay. So now let us draw the lines. Yes, 9, 0, 0, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 9, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is your 0, 9. This is a line x plus y is equal to 9. Sorry. Next one is y is equal to x is a line passes through the origin. You mean it is a line passes through what? One, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, minus 1, 1, minus 2, minus 2, and so on. So, since it is strict inequality, I am going to draw dotted line. Dotted line. Okay, this is your y equal to x, and next line is x equal to 0, nothing but it is what? Imaginary axis, that is y axis. Now let's check the solution reason for all these three. First one, yes, for this line 0, 0 comes in the lower half plane. Let us take 0, 0 from the lower half plane. So we get substitute in this inequality 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 9. You mean this gives 0 less than or equal to 9, which is true. Hence the solution design is this lower half plane. The lower half plane becomes the solution design. Okay. Now so second line, y is greater than x. For that, don't take the point 0, 0 because a line passes through 0, 0. So take any other point from any other plane, any plane. I mean this divides into lower half plane and upper half plane. Take any point from any plane. So I am going to take this point. This is what actually, this is what 3 comma 1. Taken 3 comma 1 from the lower half plane, and let us check the inequality. Let 3 comma 1 from the lower half plane of y equal to x, okay. Okay, substitute in the given inequality that y is greater than x. What is y here? Y coordinate is 1, x is 3. So 1 is greater than 3, which is false again. So the solution reason is the upper half plane. This becomes the solution reason. Okay. Now, for this x is greater than or equal to 0. The x is greater than or equal to 0 means what? This is what x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Then x greater than or equal to 0. You mean greater than 0. You mean the values you have to take to the right side of x. I mean y axis. X greater than or equal to 0 in the sense the values to the right of x axis. You mean the solution reason is to the right of x axis. Sorry, y axis. Now observe the solution reason. Yes, the common reason for all these 3 inequality comes in this portion. Ready here we yes, this is your solution reason. So at last the conclusion is what? Hence the common reason is, therefore the common reason is the solution reason except the points come on line AB, line OA. So OA. So this is a dotted line. No? So the points come on this line OA do not belong to the solution reason. That's it. This is how solving 8th question. Hope you're all following, I think, right? It's very simple of getting 5 marks. Okay, students, now let us move one more, that is question number 9th. Solve 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. X is greater than or equal to 1. Y is greater than or equal to 2. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. X is greater than or equal to 1 and y is greater than or equal to 2. Of course, x is equal to 1 and about y is equal to 2. So it's a it is a well-known thing that y is equal to constant is a line parallel to y-axis. Sorry, x is equal to constant is a line parallel to y-axis, and y is equal to constant is a line parallel to x-axis. So let's find the point through which the first line passing, that is what, 5x plus 4y equal to 20, passes through what? Passes through, when x is 0, 4y is 20, then y is 5. When y is 0, 5x is equal to 20, then x becomes 4. 5 4s are. Here, when x is 0, 4y is equal to 20, then y is equal to 20 by 4, 4 1s are, 5s are. Here you get, when y is 0, 5x is equal to 20, then x is equal to 5 1s are, 4s are. So, passes through 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 5. Let's draw the lines. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Four comma 0 and 0 comma 5. This is your 4 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is your 0 comma 5. So this is your line x 5x plus 4y equal to 20. And second line is what? X is equal to 1 is a line parallel to x passes through 1 comma 0. This is what? 1 comma 0. This is x is equal to 1. Next, y is equal to 2 is a line parallel to x axis passes through 0 comma 2. This is your 0 comma 2. So now let's find the solution reason. For first inequality, let us take 0 comma 0. You mean for this line 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. I am taking 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane. Let 0 comma 0 from the lower half plane of what? 5x plus 4y is equal to 20. So what do you get? Substitute in the given inequality, 5 into 0 plus 4 into 0 less than or equal to 20. So this gives 0 less than or equal to 20, which is true. Which is true. Hence, the solution reason is the lower half plane. You mean the region from which I have taken the point 0, 0. This is the solution reason. The lower half plane will be the solution reason. For the second one, you mean for x is greater than or equal to 1. See, x is equal to 1 is a line divides the plane into a right half plane, left half plane. You can take any point from any plane. I am going to take 1 comma 0. Sorry, this is 1 comma 0. This is what? 2 comma 0. So this is 2 comma 0 comes in the right half plane of x equal to 1. So let 2 comma 0 from a right half plane of x is equal to 1. Substitute in the inequality, x is greater than or equal to 1. Here x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is 0. So 2 is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, which is true. Which is true. Hence the solution reason is the region from which you have taken the point 2 comma 0. You mean to the right of this. right half plane. Again, for y is equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 is a line divides the plane into upper half plane and lower half plane. Take any point from any plane. So let us take 0, 0 from the lower half plane. Let 0, 0 from lower half plane of y is equal to 2. Substitute in the given inequality, y is greater than or equal to 2. 0, 0, y, x quantity is 0, y quantity is 0. 0 is greater than or equal to, which is false. Hence the solution reason is what actually? Upper half plane. So this becomes the solution reason. Student, you observe the common reason for all these three inequalities. Yes, this is this triangle. See, because for this line lower half plane. For this line right side, you mean this comes. For this line upper half plane, you mean this again comes. You mean in all three cases this comes. This will become the common reason. Therefore, the solution reason is this one. So it is very important. Students, it is usual thing that you will be confusing in finding the common reason, but don't confuse. So listen carefully, listen to the class carefully, and definitely you will become, you will be able to find the common reason. Very simple, very simple. Okay. So this is your solution reason. To mention in the graph, solution reason. At last, therefore, the common reason is the solution reason. That's it. Okay. So this is how finding the solution reason for the given system of inequality. It's very simple, students. As I said before, so you will be able to draw the graph for the given system of inequality, but you will be confused in finding the common reason. So be careful. So because whenever common reason is correct, then only you get full marks. Otherwise, so only marks will be allotted only for the lines you draw. Okay. Thank you.